Hello everybody, thanks so much for staying tuned for my final thoughts about this unit. So let's go over the specs and facts about this unit again. It is from Coco Black Hair, the Yaki Hair leader, Coco Black Hair. And this is a 22-inch unit loose wave with a 5x5 HD lace closure. All the information will be down below in the description box, and the link will be down there for if you're interested in actually purchasing this unit. So I just want to thank Coco Black Hair for sponsoring this video. So yeah, the final specs about the hair and my feelings about it. This is a very, 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 very beautiful unit. One of the most beautiful units I have reviewed in a while, and I will tell you why. So number one, the lace is very thin. The grids in the lace are not that large, and the knots in the front are very small. So it gives you that realistic hairline without having to pluck a lot. So the lace is great. The knots in the front are great. The length is true to length. Even though it's a loose wave, you have to measure it by stretching the hair, and it is very long. It actually reaches my waist, so you will get the most bang for your buck out of this unit. Now, this unit was sent to me for review, but I will not lie to you guys ever and give you false information. If I didn't like the unit, I would definitely tell you guys. This unit is bomb. Like, it's bomb. I would definitely wear it special occasions, weddings, birthdays. This is like so amazing, and I did not have to pick up the flat iron or the curling iron, not one time. I felt confident that the curls were not going to fall out of this unit. Even adding the moisturizer and like the wax, brushing it through, running my hands through it, the curls did not leave. They just became more beautiful. It gives you that Hollywood look, but also you can really rock this unit every day. So that is another thing I love. It's no shedding at all. Like, this true to length is beautiful. It's bouncy. It is smooth. It is silky. This is a absolutely gorgeous unit. I give it 2 thumbs up. I give it 4.9 stars. I give it almost a 10. Like, it is really, really beautiful. Now, into the other things I noticed about this unit. I wouldn't say they're bad at all. But the knots in the front are small, but once you get towards the back, they are large knots. So I did have to use a certain product to kind of conceal those, because I felt like even if I bleached those knots, those big knots would not have bleached very well. So I didn't even take the chance, because whenever I bleach knots, my lace gets really, really orange, and I have ruined a lot of my good wigs that way. And I've used the blue, I'm not an expert. I've used the blue powder to try to take away that bronzy oranginess, and it just does not work. So I did not want to bleach these knots. I was terrified of it turning orange, and I did not want to ruin this beautiful unit. So I found another product. I know you guys have heard of Perfect Line Swiss Grace lace filler and grid filler or something like that, but that's not what this video is about. I will make a separate video about that product and how I applied it to this unit. But as far as this unit, I felt like it did need some help with the larger knots in the back, and I did my best to try to conceal those and make them look more natural. Now, that's really the only thing I can say. What, bad about this unit is the knots in the, back of the unit is not as small as the front. But y'all, look at this hair. Y'all go get this hair, invest in this hair. Okay, I know it's a lot of synthetic wigs out there that can give you this look, but this wig is going to last. Nothing against synthetic wigs, but this wig is going to last. It is beautiful, soft and bouncy. The cap is constructed very, very well. It does come with a total of 5 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 combs, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I really don't have that much else to say about this unit. It was easy to apply. Like I did use my Wonder Bond by Eben, a little bit of mousse, a little bit of wax stick, Remy wax stick, definitely get a hot comb. Definitely recommend it. Oh, that's another thing that I didn't like, but it really wasn't that bad. The closure and the thickness up in here is very, very dense. So you're gonna have to do a lot to lay the wig down. It's very, very dense, but you'll get there. Just get a brush, some mousse, and brush that sucker down. It was thick. And it took a little bit of time to lay the wig down as far as getting it flat. And I think that's about it. Like, there's nothing, I didn't have to cut this unit. I didn't have to curl this unit. Like, what? Oh, and another thing, I do feel like you do need to pluck this unit. Now, it does give a very, very natural, realistic hairline right out of the box, guys. Right out of the box. But I do feel like it's just a little bit too dense for me at the front, because my real hairline is a little bit thinner, especially like in these areas. But it's not so full where it's like, oh my God, it's so wiggy. It doesn't look wiggy. It just looks like I have a full hairline. And, you know, it doesn't look like, oh my God, you know, it looks like a super thick. No, it doesn't look like that. It does look natural, but I personally would pluck it a little bit more. So I would say this wig is semi-beginner friendly, you know, just a little bit. You may need to do a little tiny bit of work, but like a little bit to lay it down and maybe to pluck it to your liking, but you don't have to. You don't have to. I can totally see this wig being straight out of the box. You know, you may need to lay it down a little bit, but that's it. Brush this sucker and put some moisturizer on it and go. So like a semi-beginner wig, but that's all I can say about this unit. It is absolutely gorgeous. I do recommend this unit, like 100%. I recommend this unit. So definitely check out the links below. Closure wigs are not dead, y'all. I'm kind of getting over the frontal thing. These 5x5 wigs have been killing it, okay? It gives you parting space here. You can go middle side, you know, this 5x5 wig definitely gives you a lot more options of flexibility. And you don't have to worry about laying down lace all beside your ear and stuff. Give this wig a try. I would not steer you guys wrong. So thanks again, Coco Black Hair, for sponsoring this video and reaching out to me. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. And I hope you hit that red subscribe button down below so I can continue to bring you guys more content. And y'all have a blessed day. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.